Welcome back to the channel. Now what I have here is whole hemp seeds that contain the shell as well as the seeds, and they are crushed and they can be used as a substitute for protein powder. Hemp seeds, they are a wonderful strong superfood, and you could use them to help in bettering your health and your wellness. And we're going to dive into the incredible benefits of incorporating just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds into your daily routine. What could it do for you? So get ready to discover how these tiny seeds offer you a wonderful, powerful source of protein, mood regulation, inflammation management, and bone health. So if you're looking for a plant-based protein source that rivals even the most protein-rich foods, look no further than hemp seeds. These tiny seeds contain an impressive amount of protein per serving, making them an excellent choice for vegans, vegetarians, and anyone looking to boost their protein intake. What I do is I simply add 3 tablespoons of this wonderful powder to my children's smoothies, and it basically goes unnoticed because it does not contain a smell, it does not contain a strong aroma or taste as well, and they get the protein as well as the amino acids that they need. So with only 10 grams of protein in just 3 tablespoons, hemp hearts outshine even a large boiled egg in terms of their protein content. And also the protein in hemp seeds is highly digestible thanks to the protein called edestin. This easily digested protein is readily absorbed and utilized by the body, making it a wonderful choice for helping to fuel our muscles and supporting overall health and well-being. So it also helps us with mood boosting, it helps us with sleep support. So did you know that hemp hearts in particular, now I know I've got the whole hemp seed right here crushed, but I'm talking now specifically about the hemp hearts. They are packed with tryptophan, which is the precursor to serotonin and melatonin. These neurotransmitters, both of them, they are important for helping with regulating mood, regulating sleep. Hemp seeds are considered as a wonderful natural mood booster and a sleep aid. Now, just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds provide about 40% of the recommended daily intake of tryptophan, which helps us to promote feelings of well-being and relaxation as well, perfect for anyone having anxiety issues. Additionally, the presence of glycine in hemp seeds further supports quality sleep because it acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter in the central nervous system. It is also important because it contains omega-3 and omega-6, the perfect balanced ratio. Maintaining a healthy balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids is important because it supports our overall health, our well-being, and hemp seeds offer the ideal, perfect balanced ratio of these fatty acids. With a perfect 3-to-1 ratio, it supports healthy cholesterol levels and immune system function. The research has suggested that this balanced ratio of fatty acids plays a big role in preventing and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Actually, hemp seeds are also rich in gamma-linolic acid, GLA, which produces anti-inflammatory effects in the body, which makes it a wonderful addition for smoothies, for helping to manage inflammation, and also supporting joint health. Wonderful about hemp is that it nourishes the body from within. So while calcium and vitamin D often seal the spotlight when it comes to the bone health, magnesium and phosphorus are equally essential nutrients for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Hemp seeds here are a rich source of both magnesium as well as the mineral phosphorus, providing over 50% and 70% of your recommended daily dosage, relatively in just 3 tablespoons, which is 10 grams. And the researchers also suggested that anyone who consumes higher levels of magnesium tends to have a higher bone mineral density, which highlights the importance of this wonderful nutrient in bone health. So when you incorporate hemp seeds into your diet, you will nourish your body from within, and you will also support your long-term bone health. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next one.